At the Moscow Air Show, the Maykaysa International Aviation and Space Salon 2021, which begins on Tuesday of the next week, Russian aircraft manufacturer Rostec State Corporation will display its new fighter jet contender. According to the Associated Press, a mysterious new fighter aircraft was dragged and hauled across the airfield in the Russian city of Zhukovsky to the Maykaysa 2021 exhibition. It was shrouded in a black tarp. Vladimir Putin, the president of Russia, will be present at the inauguration of the exhibition. According to Russian media reports, the new aircraft was produced by Sukhoi as part of a development program for light tactical fighters. The new aircraft is notably smaller and has a single engine, in contrast to Russia's most recent Su-57 twin-engine stealth fighter. The Su-57 was designed to compete with the F-22 Raptor stealth fighter from the United States, US. However, serial manufacturing has just recently started, and new engines intended to enable supersonic flight capability are still under development, unlike the US aircraft, which has been in service since 2005. The new warplane's name is currently unknown, and neither are any details regarding its potential range or capabilities. Apparently designed to compete with the US F-35 Lightning II fighter, which went into service in 2015, the new Russian fighter candidate is a fighter aircraft. Russian officials intend to sell the new aircraft to consumers abroad eventually. The virtually brand new military aircraft will be shown on Tuesday at the Moscow Air Show, according to Rostec, the state organization that comprises the Russian aircraft manufacturer. According to a release from Rostec, Russia is one of the few nations with full cycle capacity to build complex aircraft systems, as well as a recognized leader in fighter aircraft manufacturing. "Want to see me unwrapped?" was written beneath a photograph of the new airplane that Rostec shared in an effort to pique excitement among the public before the presentation. Additionally, Rostec shared a brief video of a foreign client who appeared animated and a video of the hazy silhouette of an aircraft on the water. The new fighter jet appears to mirror the British Type 45 destroyer HMS Defender, which was involved in an incident in the Black Sea, as seen in another release photo posted by Rostec on its Facebook page. For the record, in the midst of sour tensions in relations with the West, the Kremlin has prioritized modernizing the nation's armed forces. Following Russia's 2014 annexation of the Crimean Peninsula in Ukraine, allegations of Russian interference in elections, and hacking assaults, conditions reached a post-Cold War low.